Hi, thank you guys for clicking onto this video. I'm so excited. I can't stop smiling, and I bet you're wondering why. And that is because I have received some bundles from Stitched Unique Hair that came in this cute little box, and I can't wait to style my hair with this. So first things first, I got some extra little goodies in this box, so I want to show you that so you can know what else is available on their site, and then we'll talk about the hair and get into how I'm going to style this hair. So in my box, I was gifted with a blinged bonnet. So this is available on their site. It's so cute. Look at that, bling bling. And then not only did I receive this, I also received a cute and stylish satin scarf. So I'm gonna have to rock this one day out with a cute outfit. All right, so now let's get into the hair. Put this box back here. The hair comes into this cute satin bag to protect the hair. So cute. And I received 2 bundles of their Kinky Curly. It's so beautiful. Look at that curl pattern. Okay. So now that I talked about this, I want to talk about how I'm gonna rock this hair. So of course, as you can see, it's not matching my hair right now. So I'm gonna have to do some steps like dyeing it. So this is great. We get to see how well it takes to dye. So I'm gonna show you me dyeing it, or some of the process of me dyeing this hair. And then I am going to do a high ponytail. So just have my locks, washing my hair. That's my next step, dyeing this, and then go and wash my hair and stuff. And retwist my locks and have my hair put up in a high ponytail. And then I will be sewing this around my ponytail. So if you are interested in seeing how in the world I'm going to rock this hair so that you can be able to rock this hair next, stay tuned. I use L'Oreal High Color Highlights in the color Magenta that is for dark hair only. And then I use the 40 Developer. I had 2 bottles because one was like running low, so I just had my backup. So I start off by, of course, dumping the cream developer in the bowl, and you do like a 1-to-1 ratio of how much cream and how much hair dye you're going to put in. I end up using 2 boxes of dye. Put in there, and you give it a good, and you're going to continue to stir until it gets to a creamy consistency. So I just use my hands to run the dye through the hair from the root to the ends. And I did this, over and over pretty much until the dye was gone. So I start off on this side, and then I would eventually flip it over. And then I'll do the other side, get the root, flip it back over. And I will even open up the hair and fold it back the opposite way to get the other side and make sure I got the root. Do this method with both bundles and let it sit in a plastic bag for 45 minutes. And ta-da! Look at that. Look how well this hair took to dye. So I am very pleased with this outcome. It's just the same hair dye color that I use on my locks. I know that it matches my hair very well. Okay, so for this style, you're going to need a needle and thread. You're going to also need ponytail holders. And don't forget the bobby pins. I started off by retwisting the middle of my hair and putting a ponytail in the middle of my hair. I do this because I feel like it makes the base stronger for me. It's told me to have a sturdy ponytail. And then I would just retwist around and just put all the other parts in the ponytail afterwards. And, that's just me gelling up the sides and oiling my hair. Tying the hair down, making sure it stays, neat. And then I lastly put another ponytail holder on just to make sure that my ponytail feels sturdy, because I'm going to be adding hair and I don't know how heavy it's going to be. So, I don't want my ponytail to move around. Now I just make 3 little part sections and I braid down my ponytail. And I do this while my hair is kind of like still damp from me washing my hair. I feel like it's easier to manipulate and to make it seem more tamed. So yeah, I just braid down one big ponytail and, you know, add a little ponytail holder at the end. All right, so we are going to start off by placing the end of one of the bundles at the end of your lock ponytail or your braided ponytail. Now, I would put out a disclaimer and say that you do not have to start this low. This was my first time doing this, so you learn from me that you do not have to start this low because all that hair is going to cover this part up. So you can start from like the middle or even underneath that first ponytail holder. It will work. But anyways, you're just going to put that needle through and wrap upward. The disclaimer is that you don't have to put the hair so close because we're working with 2 bundles and this is kinky curly hair, so the hair is going to cover the hair. I won't suggest you having to wrap the hair around so tightly, and it don't have to be super loose. Just be very cautious of how you space out the hair so that, you know, look and see if it's looking like it can cover, like it's covering the hair below, it's covering the tracks below. And then just work your way all the way up to the top like this. It's just, I end up using like a paper towel because I don't know, that little needle thing was kind of hurting my finger and slipping a little. So I just found a paper towel kind of easy to like hold it without it slipping through. So that was one of my little tricks also. And then that my camera starts acting up and kept telling me about my storage on my phone, and it would just give me a hard time the whole time while I was recording. So you're not going to see the top of my hair when I finish it. But just like any other regular ponytail, like when people sew in ponytails over regular hair, they use the end of the hair to wrap around the base of the ponytail. So I'm going to end up wrapping the hair around the base of my ponytail so it covers my ponytail holders. So I just wanted to go ahead and tell y'all that because it's going to cut off. Yes, I curled my front edges and tied it down with a scarf. Sue me. I got this scarf from this company too, you guys. This one I use definitely to like tie my edges. The hair is super soft, so I really didn't have to do too much, but just spray it with some water, rub my fingers through it, and that was it. Also, disregard the bags in the background. I was going on a staycation with my baby. So I'm totally into accessorizing my hair now. So I am going to use this Loc accessory jewelry to wrap around the base of my ponytail holder just to bring out the hairstyle and also bring out my outfit. All right, time for the reveal. Please comment below on how you feel about this hair and this hairstyle. Thank you for watching.